Website design is really only how a website should look and feel. As we design this website here and give you access to thousands of templates, it is important for you to understand that a website or the website content is the most important and the most difficult part of a successful website. Website content are the headlines, the words, the pictures on your website, the videos. These need to be crafted for your website visitor. The website visitor needs to get engaged when they look at look at your website. The website needs to speak to them. The website is a presentation, a sales tool, and your website design, as it should look very clean, is not the most important part. Imagine that you would call on a prospective client and you would engage, try to maybe convince, entice your client. So your website, the content, the pictures, the words, and the headline should be like a conversation that you normally would have with a prospective client, except for the fact that you are not there when the customer, the potential client, is going to come on your site. So that should be your content. We're going to work on this later on our example website. I just want to let you know that this is actually the most important part. We are going to work on some more software pieces to make sure we enhance our site as good as possible. I just want you to take that information.